What's up, everyone? This is Duran over at Alpha 7 Trading Academy, here with another trade of the day. It's April 16th on Thursday. It's about 3 o'clock. Looking to get into this trade of data. It's been having trouble breaking 101s all day. Finally broke, and now we're going for a 5-lane perfect storm through the weekly. As you can see on the weekly, it's forming a pop for a trend continuation, and we're looking to get in 2,000 shares for a quick pop. Now, mind you, I did fast forward this video so that way it doesn't take too much of your time to watch, and this way you could just see exactly why we got into it and how it worked out. So right away on the first pop, what do? My goal is to sell, okay? So you partial out some, all right, and then we look for the next pop. So as you can see, I'm up about 450 already. We'll probably catch around 600. Not sure. It all depends if it's going to continue moving. Also, remember that my goal here, since it's the end of the day, I don't want to get trapped at the end of it with a couple shares that are going against me. So my main goal here was to just catch the pop and then take the rest off the other pop. So right away, I take 900 shares off on the pop at around 60 cents. All right, so we caught around 30 cents on the pop. That's all I wanted. Now I have about 1,100 shares left, and what I'm going to do is see if it can hold the 5 MA, and for every pop that continues to go on, I'm going to partial out a little bit more. Okay, so maybe 300 at a time, 200 at a time, until I pretty much either dissipate all my shares, or it gets stops me out of the 5 MA on the 1 minute. And you're going to have to give it some leg room here, because I'm going off of the wider time frames, okay? Since I'm going off the wider time frames, you need to give it a little bit wiggle room. Another thing that I'm not paying attention to is SPY. It hasn't been correlating with SPY all day. So here we go. Here's a pop. So somewhere around here, I'm going to start partialing out for the next high and the next pop. And like I said, you have to give it some room here. Let's see where this candle closes on the 1 minute 5 MA. Right, still looks pretty strong. There you go. Popped right back up. So we're gonna partial out some. There was another pop. I'm gonna partial out. Remember, I told you on every pop. Remember, it's an end of day trade, so I don't want to be holding on shares. I just expected a pop, and that was it for the end of the day. If it were in the beginning of the trade, if it would have filled me on the buy stop entry and then do nothing, within about 30 seconds, I probably would have got out the trade anyway, because all I was looking for was the pop to see if there was any tension there. All right. So I have a couple shares left. I'm going to partial out some more soon. Let's just see where it heads here. I have about 400 shares left, 200 shares. I'm going to partial out the rest soon. Just seeing whether it's going to go back down here. And since it closed, we're partialing out the rest. So I made about 450 here, okay, on this trade. Closed below the 5 MA. We were expecting around 600, but 450 is no problem. That was right off the pop. I could have made around 450. We were trying to squeeze a little bit more. So I hope you enjoyed the end of the day trade. And take care, guys. Have a great day.